In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Windows icon on your taskbar to open the Start menu. From there, click Settings to open the Windows Settings window. Once the Settings window appears, look at the left sidebar and click Accounts. Inside the Accounts section, click Your Info. This page contains your personal account details, including your current Windows profile picture. Now scroll until you find the Profile Picture section. Here you'll see two available options for changing your picture. The first option is Open Camera, which allows you to take a new profile photo using your webcam. The second option is Browse Files, which lets you choose an existing picture saved on your computer. To use a photo already saved on your PC, click Browse Files. A file selection window will appear. Navigate to the folder where your picture is stored. This could be inside Pictures, Downloads, Desktop, or another folder location. Once you find the image you want to use, click on the file to highlight it. After selecting the image, click Choose Picture. Windows will automatically apply the image as your new profile picture. You should immediately see the updated photo appear on the Your Info page. Take a moment to confirm that the picture looks correct and is displayed properly. Your updated profile picture will also appear in several other areas of Windows 11, including the Start menu, the sign-in screen, and other account-related sections throughout the operating system. If you prefer taking a live photo instead, go back to the same profile picture section and click Open Camera. Your webcam will open so you can capture a new image directly from your computer. For the best results, use a clear square image with good lighting and a centered face. This helps your profile picture appear sharper and properly aligned across Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.